Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have two more D-stash kits for you. One, two. Yep, I have two more after this. And then I got to reevaluate my piles and see how it's going. But I just want to thank all of you that have taken some of these off my hands. I've really slowed down. Well, here I am saying really slowed down. Um, but I'm trying to slow down. Let's put it that way. Just there's so many pretty designs that I can see myself completing. And then I've heard that Michaels is getting ready to release their fall winter collection. What? Can I get through summer, please? We're just now hitting July 4th. Guys. Okay. I need to stay focused. Focus, 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 focus. All right. You want to see what I got? I want to show you. All right. First up, we have something that will fit for the Summer of the Masters. It's too late for this year because by the time you get it, I don't think you'll have time. But you might. You might. If you jump on it right away, I can have it out really quickly. This is Roman Colosseum. So this would qualify for the I open from that end. Yeah, it looks like I can open from this end. Summer of the Masters with single and placing and diamonds and washi. So you want to check those channels out for more information. So it looks like I haven't even opened this, guys. Maybe I have. Look at how horrible that looks. All right, let's do this first. Okay, put that aside. And is this the right way? I don't know. Nope. Here's your, maybe I haven't unraveled this because I would have taken that out. Here is the Colosseum. It looks like it's a partial, but it is not. It is not a partial. So I hope this looks appealing to somebody because it does not for me. Sorry, this does nothing for me. It has 37 colors. I see about 5. Does it have special drills? Nope. And if you want, I have round ABs. Is this a round kit? Yes. I have round ABs I can throw in for 8360 or even 8300, one of those numbers. And I don't know, I guess you can put them in the windows if that's even, I know nothing about the Colosseum. So yeah, stick is really good. Paper's decent. It's not too thick, not too thin. This size is 52 centimeters by 42 centimeters or 20.5 inch by 16.5 inch. This was a project my husband wanted me to get. I did not want to get it. We got it at Joann's. He said, get it. You might want to do it. Yeah, no. Nope. I don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. Nope, nope, nope. So here's toolkit. Maybe you want to, I do like these trays. So does Todd. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay. So here are your colors. Let's look at them as, look at that. Look how pretty the colors are though. I feel like this canvas will pop and it will look like something when it's done. Like the Colosseum. That's pretty good because that's what it is. So let's take a look. Some pretty bright colors here. This one's, there's a lot of this yellow. What is this yellow? Okay, number 31, which is 31, 31. Oh, is the diagonal line, which is, I thought it would be down here. It isn't. The diagonal line is all in the base of the windows. Wow. Okay. All right. All right. Still don't want it. Still don't want it. Ew. Pea green. Who likes peas? Not me. That's exactly what color that is. Pea green. I know I'm not really selling this one very well, am I, guys? Okay, let me try this again. Look at these beautiful colors. Look at that. Gorgeous pea green. Look at that. Look at that black. How's that? Is that better, guys? Ooh, that is a pretty color. No special drills, but we got some pretty colors. Look at that. Those are pretty. I'm not just acting. Those are pretty. Come on, somebody's gotta want this. What do you think? Not me, though. And it comes with this adorable little toolkit with your multi-placer and your straightener, some pink wax, a squishy, your pen, and some bags. What a bargain! Just make me an offer, plus shipping, and this can be yours with the right email. 37 colors. Again, you have to mention in the email if you would like me to throw in some ABs. I'm sure I can do that. So I'm not including these instructions unless you really want them. Then you just say the word. Say the word. Word. Okay, let me. All right, that'll work. All right, let's try this again. Maybe this. One of you out there seen this and you're like, yes, finally I get to get it. Email me quick if you are that person. Okay, I don't think this went in there. Because these bags, the diamond dots, are never big enough for the canvas and the drills. So they always put the canvas in separate. Okay. Let's see if this has a total number of drills. It does. It's 26,754 of these drills. All right. So that is the Colosseum. All right. This one I do like. But I've got so many others that I'm going to want to do. This is a 16 by 20. And it has 36 colors. And it is from Michaels. And it is called Streetcar. Yep, it's called Streetcar because there's a trolley in it. And here are the drills. I have opened it because I used to keep the drills separate. So there is Streetcar drill. Oh, you can't even see that. Streetcar drills right here. Look at those pretty colors. I believe Diamonds and Washi and her mom, or her mom, I think, completed this one last summer, if I'm correct. But it might be the summer before. I don't remember. But this one is very nice. 36 colors. And it's a 16 by 20, so it's a very doable size. Let me know what you think. All right, let's see what we got. Pretty colors. Oh, look at that red. Let's do this string first. Ooh, look at that. Look at how pretty. Here are the greens. This one's a light pea green. I'm not a fan of the pea green, but I know it's necessary in some artwork. So more. Oh, look at that pretty blue. It's got some pretty colors. Whoever gets it will probably enjoy doing this one. Yep. Here we go. Very nice. No special drills. Let me look again. Let me just make sure. Nope, no special drills. But if you want special drills, let me know and I'll see what I can dig up. Not sure what I can dig up, but I can definitely look. Very pretty colors. Very pretty. So, Streetcar. And there it is, 16 by 20. There's your trolley, and you got plants here. The track. I think it will come out nice. I do. And this is the older legend, because Michaels does now give the DMC number. Well, the DMC number to the best of their ability for their color scheme. Let me just go this way. Oh, okay. Let me see if I can do this. I did it. I did it. I did it. So this is, oh, you don't want to see my receipt. Okay. All right, so that is Streetcar round drills, right? It was round drills. Oh my gosh, guys. You'll have to look back on the video. I'm pretty sure it's round drills. So we got Streetcar and the Colosseum. Let me know if either one of these float your boat. So go pamper yourself and pick one or both or all of my D-stash that's left and take them off my hands. All right. Have a wonderful day and be kind. Bye, everyone.